Okay, now that we've named all of our shapes, you are going to pick some shapes to make a shape friend. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to make a little figure using different shapes. You're not going to use all of the shapes that we named. You get to pick which shapes you want to use, okay? For example, for mine, I decided to use a triangle for the body, some rectangles for the arms. The head on mine is a pentagon, and I used some squares for earrings, some rectangles for the hair, and then I used the triangles and the hexagon for the bow. And then I added some little decoration, a circle in the dress. So this was my shape. This is my shape friend. So you see I added some hair. Your shape friend should look completely different than mine. Okay, you get to choose whichever shapes you want. Use your imagination. How can you build a shape friend? And you can add any of the shapes that you want to your friend. Okay, once you're done making your shape friend, you are going to tell me about your shape friend. So you're going to tell me which shapes you chose. For my shape friend, I used one pentagon, one hexagon, this one, two squares, three triangles. So I have 1, 2, and the body is 3. I used 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, and 7 rectangles. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rectangles I used for mine. So I used one pentagon, one hexagon, 2 squares, 3 triangles, 3 circles, and 7 rectangles to make my shape friend. My shape friend is named, and then you're going to pick a name for your shape friend. Okay, it should not be the same as mine. So tell me which shapes you used. And if you can't remember the name of the shape that you used, go ahead and look back at the page because we named them all. So look back at the pages and see what those shapes are called. Okay? And then you are going to turn in a picture of your shape friend and make sure that I can read your writing. Okay, so if you post this, a picture, when you post a picture of this, make sure that I can read it. Alrighty?